Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magkakamero naman tayo ng quick unboxing ng Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So just keep on watching. Then ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo guys kung ano ang laman ng box kay Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Then, ang next ko naman na ipapakita guys is yung appearance ni Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Then, iset up na natin si Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Then, itry na rin natin yung camera, rear cam and front camera. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe.